So busy day here. All of the chrome, all of the trim, all of the components, some of which are going to be replaced with repops, a lot are going to be restored pieces from a vendor, and there's core charges, all kinds of components, which we've discussed, as you guys have seen in the videos throughout the day. But Xander has everything apart, everything ready to go, everything ready to repack. We actually have a shared folder, him and I, with all the photos. And I'm actually gonna share that with someone at our vendor, which may in fact make it so we don't have to send some things up, which would make the shipping cost less, but which means the core money will get eaten. But it'll also go, hey, we'll give you credit on wheel arch trim, or credit for this, or credit for something that we have that's getting replaced with a repop. So all kinds of interesting things today. It was busy getting all this stuff disassembled, and we clean it up the best we can here and photograph it. So quite the time-consuming task. So Xander was pretty much on this all day today. But things are ready to go. Now to wait for their response so they can look these things over. So I'll probably know tomorrow. And then get it repacked to ship.